Here is a graph. The graph of the linear function matches these 2 points. Which equation is this function? So there's different ways of doing it. I'm just going to go like, once you see a graph, once you do 2 points, we're going to do this in spreadsheets. So we're going to open up the thing, new. We're going to type in the numbers here. So then here we're going to go put a -1. Over here we're going to have a negative 1 fourth. We're going to have a 1 here. Put a 1 here. A -3 over 4 here. Come back here, go to menu. 4, 1, 3. It's going to be B here. This over here. Okay, so I'm going to bring it over here. So there's my slope and the slope, if you remember these things over here. The way it comes out, it's always going to be in the form of y equals mx plus b. So we have here y equals mx plus b. My m is going to be that, and my b will be this. So just look at the numbers I mentioned about. My m here is a negative. So in this situation here, that's going to be a -1. So anything that's positive, we get rid of it. Now, this one's over here negative also, so there's a negative. But everybody knows that -0.5 is down right there. So it's going to be C. So this one here, it says which function is best represented by this graph. So we're going to come right here, big graphs. That line, we have the equations. Two different ways of doing it. I personally always like to go to the list of spreadsheets. And it's going to be y equals mx plus b. List in spreadsheets, menu 4, 1, 3. You're going to need 2 points, okay? 2 points like this. You can see first point I'll choose is that one right there. That one's super easy, 0, 3. And then that one right there, 4, 0. So we're going to do 0, 3 and 4, 0. Go to the calculate. I guess I'm just starting new one just so it'll be there. And it's going to be 0, 3. 3, and then 4, 0. Come back over here to this corner, go to menu. 4, 1, 3. Come here, B. Control this part here, enter, enter. So same idea here. Remember the idea is going to be based off of the y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. My m is this one, it goes right there by the x. My b goes over here. So first off, I'm going to go to m, the number by the x. It's going to be a negative. Out, out. Okay, these two are the right. And then look at the y-intercept, the b. It's going to be a positive 3. There's my answer. Pretty easy, these things. So this one here, the graph of a linear function passes through the points. So there's many different ways of doing it. Actually, I can do the list in spreadsheet. It's pretty easy. Luckily, it gave you the points. So I'm going to go and turn the calculator. Yes, if we've done several before, you can just type over the numbers. It's not even fair how easy this test becomes. And you know what? Let me just do a new document. Okay, they're going to make the numbers -2 and 70. And 6, -50. On here, menu. 4, 1, 3. B, control this madness here, enter, enter. So remember the equation again, we'll have it where you go ahead and be in the form of slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So y equals mx plus b. This would be your m, goes right by the x. Your b goes at the end. So just look at the number by the x. So these are my x's, right? These are my x's. So what's number by the x? -15. So these two are cool. These are out. Now look at the b. The b is by itself. You see plus b plus 40. Plus 40 here. Out. So the graph of the linear function is shown on the grid. So basically that's it. And then you can say, oh, same idea, right? Move it correct. So you want to go and put it in the form of y equals mx plus b. We have to get 2 points off of here. So you decide which 2 points you want to get. Honestly, because of my tools, let me see if I can cover everything. Oh yeah, I can do it. So I'm going to say that coordinate right there. That's 0, 6. Let's just go down. That looks like a good coordinate. And that looks like a good coordinate. I like to check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now back on line, let me go again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I just check if they're good points. So all those are good points. So I'm going to go with those 2 points right there. And we should go with this one here. Alright? It doesn't matter which 2 points you use, as long as you have 2 good coordinates that they work and they're fine. -4 and 0. So I forgot where I'm at. Basically, you want to go out here and get 2 points from here, right? I forgot where I was at. Oh, I think I started doing it already. Yeah, 0, 6 and -4, 0. So 0, 6 and -4, 0. So try to calculate. I'm going to go with a new one each time, just to save myself 0, 6. Come back here, manual, 0, 1, 3, B, and then control this left hand side, enter, enter. So don't forget, sky's limit having a purchase. I don't know, there's a lot of tricks I've done. I've seen it in other students when we did the academies. They know how to, we should know how to convert those to fractions and decimals and so forth. So what I'm saying here, I think, okay, let me convert this one basically. That one to a fraction, so I can find the right fraction over here. Well, I know it's not negative, so these two are on. So it's going to be positive here, positive here. So remember the idea is we're going to have y equals, that's going to be my m, that's your m, this is your b, and your b to be there. So you basically have the equation y is equal to a 1.5x plus 6. The only issue here is I don't see 1.5. I don't see 1.5 here at all. I know it's that one, but this is to make sure for sure that it's that one, and then plus 6. So I know it's here, and then this one here. To make sure it's that one for sure, so you all going to be like positive. Calculator trick, we'll go here. We're going to go to Control C, then add a document, calculator. We're going to go to Control V to paste, and go to Menu, 2, 2. You see it's approximate fraction 2, and then enter, and there it is, 3/2. So now I know that's a 3/2 x. So remember, my equation would go a while ago is going to be y is equal to mx plus b. We have m to be 1/2, 1.5 x plus 6. So all I had to do is convert this 1.5 to a fraction. So we're going to have y is equal to 3/2 x plus 6. And that's what we got here. So here, without even reading these questions again, you just got to go to that point there and that's your answer. When 2 lines are on a graph, the answer is where they cross. So it's going to be 5 miles and $20 charge. 5 miles? No. 5 miles, $20 charge. Boom. That's your answer. That's not even reading it, guys. Pretty fast. Again, when this 2 lines come out, where do they cross? Where they cross is the answer. Okay, really easy. Find that coordinate right there, which happens to be 4 and 5. 4, 5. There it is. Final answer.